You'll be learning how to use the tools which you'll be needing to make your piece of furniture. At the end of this short video, I'd like you to have a go at using all the different tools and have a practice on a test piece of wood before you start creating. So first of all, you've got a staple gun. I'm just going to show you how to unload this particular staple gun, which is detailed in the course handout. So to unload, you want to pinch the back of the staple gun here, and you'll be able to see it's currently loaded with staples. I'm just going to take those out. So then you'll load them back into the staple gun, click it closed, and then I'm going to show you to just have a practice on a piece of wood on how to use it. So as you've seen, I've just had a go practicing stapling a few staples in a straight line, just so you can familiarise yourself with the staple gun. We're going to use the tack-on lifter to take out the staples, so make sure you've got your hand out of the way of the piece where your staples are going to be. Prise the tack-on lifter underneath the staple and then lever out. So then you've seen there that the staples actually come out quite easily. If you find that it doesn't come out all the way, you can then use your pincers to then just nip the end of the staple and pull it out of the piece of wood. So those are the main tools we'll be using actually later on in upholstery. So you've got your staple gun, you've got your pincers and tack-on lifter. The other things we'll be using are your hammer. So this is purely if any of your staples are raised or need, when you run your finger over the top of them and you can actually feel them in the piece of wood, just lightly hammer over with the flat end of the hammer so you can actually see and feel them. So just have a practice with that. And later on we'll be using a pair of scissors for cutting. You'll need a marker, pen for the foam, and also tailor's chalk, which either could be in a pen or either a piece of tailor's chalk here, which we'll be using to mark your fabric later. And the other pieces that you'll need are a tape measure and ruler, which are all detailed in the course handout. So there's a quick safety demonstration on how to use your tools. Have a practice now, get comfortable with them before we go on to the next thing.